Bilibili, a new app has entered the market and it could give YouTube some serious competition. So if you create videos for YouTube or any other social media platform, you need to know about this app. Bilibili is a Chinese video sharing platform where you can upload your videos, grow your audience and earn money from your content. And to get monetized on this app, you need 1k subscribers and 1 lakh views on your videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, and in this video I'll show you how to download Bilibili app in your iPhone. First, go to the App Store, then tap on your profile icon. Then tap on your Apple account. Now tap on country or region and select Australia. You can also select another available region if you want. Now go back and go to billing address and enter the required details. If you have selected country Australia, you can select Sydney as the city and enter the required state, postcode and phone number shown on your screen. Once you have added all the details, go back to the App Store and search for Bilibili. Now you can see the Bilibili app on your App Store. Just tap on install and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's installed, turn on your VPN. Don't forget this step. Now open the Bilibili app. On the first page, you will see Welcome to Bilibili. Read and accept the terms and policies by tapping Accept. Now select your date of birth and tap on Confirm. And there you go. You will now see the Bilibili interface where you can explore a wide variety of videos. If you want to use Bilibili as a creator, the next step is to create an account. Just create your account and you are ready to start exploring Bilibili. Now if you want to know how to create ID and password and upload videos on Bilibili app, comment Bilibili and I will make a video on it. And yes, that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.